Hello guys, right now I am in Dubai Hills. It's developed by Emart. It's a very huge project. It's a very big property villas and the apartments. Um, I am now in the 4 bedroom villa. I'm gonna show you from the down to up. Because actually I already recorded, that's why I just make the shuffling for intro to there and in the end from this balcony. Okay. This villa, this is a good frame from here, right? This villa is actually already handed over and the people are moving here already. The apartments also moved. It's a very good quality. It's size of kind of adjustable, but it's fine. It's fine. Like it's not a really small. It's fine as compared to Dubai the properties. But yes, the quality, I would suggest like it's very beautiful quality. You can live peaceful with your family. Let's go and take a look at the property inside. Then we will go to other property. This is a garden here. Outside you can see there's a construction going on. Okay, let's go to the inside. Let's check the property. They make something different, unique here. If you open this one, you just open from here to check. They don't have lock here. They did not put any lock. So you can see here. From this one you can open like that, and this one you can open like that, and this one open like that, which is fine. From here you just open like that. This is fine. Sometimes lock you need to find from the shops. That's sturdy. It can be a 1 bedroom also if you want to give to your parents. And plus guest bathroom. That's a main door, and here you have a mesh pool. And this side is the garage. Let's go up quickly. I want to show you the property. This is the 1 bedroom. This is the 1 bedroom. And again, you have a handle here. You can see the cupboards. Close it. Here. This is a common area for the both. This is me. This is a common area. Common, I mean to say, this is for both. This shower and the toilet is for both rooms. This is fine. It's kind of reasonable. And here you have a master bedroom. Did you close it? It's a master bedroom you have here. The top. The finishing is actually better. The quality is better than. Size is kind of compromise. Size villa size is compromised, but yes, the quality is good. अब इतने पैसों में इतना ही मिलेगा ना। ये जा रहा है, नजर आपको वो ये रहा।